Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how people find and pay you on Wise. So as you know, in order to pay you, simply the people have your Wise account details or phone or email or any contact details, so that the relevant person will contact you in order to send or receive the money. So how you can do it? So simply just you have to go to left side and there are multiple tabs here, so simply just go to manage, and after that just scroll down and here you can see the option receiving by email or phone. So simply just click on this arrow button, and after that here you can see people on Wise can find you by email, phone number. You can also add your profile photo here. Just select a profile picture, click on open. Now adjust your profile picture and now click on save. So there are three ways people can easily find you. You have to enable your email, you have to enable your phone number, you have to upload your profile photo. So this one is very must. So whenever people contact you, they will see your photo and phone and email. So in this way people can easily find you on Wise.